Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to create a challan step by step, a quick and accurate way to generate delivery challans using the invoice create module. Step 1. Start by clicking on the invoice create module from your dashboard. Step 2. Next, select BizDocs from the list of available options. Step 3. To create a new challan, choose Challan from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Now, fill in the seller details. This includes the seller's phone number, email ID, address, PIN code, state, and more. Step 5. If the shipping location is the same as the seller's address, simply tick the checkbox labeled Same as Seller Details. Step 6. Once done, click on Save and Next. Step 7. Now select the buyer from your ledger list. Fill in the buyer's details like phone number, email ID, address, PIN code, and state. Step 8. Again, if the shipping location matches the buyer's address, tick the checkbox Same as Buyer Details. Step 9. Click Save and Next to proceed. Step 10. In the Challan Details section, enter all required fields: reference number or PO number, reference date or PO date, reason for transportation, dispatch mode, freight terms, vehicle number, distance, and challan type. Once everything is filled in, click Save and Next. Step 11. Now choose a product from your product list. Enter the necessary product information and click OK to add it to your challan. Step 12. Click on Save Challan to complete the entry. Then, click Print to view the PDF version of the challan. You'll get 3 copies: original for the consignee, duplicate for the transporter, and triplicate for the supplier. Step 13. To manage your challans, click on the History button and select Challan from the drop-down. Step 14. Here, you can view, edit, or delete your challans as needed. You can also click the down arrow to view the product details associated with each challan. And that's it. You've successfully created a challan with Intelligere, quick, efficient, and hassle-free. Creating a challan has never been easier. With just a few guided steps, you can generate accurate, GST-compliant challans, no manual entry, no confusion. From seller and buyer details to product entries and transport info, Intelligere takes care of everything for you. Start generating error-free challans today, only with Invoice Create. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.